Hey, what's up, everyone? I hope you guys are all doing great today. All right, so this video, I'm going to be going over a major announcement that Apple just made. So, Apple just announced that they're going to be revealing the new Macs on November 10th. So, Apple does this a few times a year where they kind of have pre recorded conferences, um, whether it be for a new processor, whether it be for new iPhone models like we saw last month. So this one's going to be for the Mac, and as you can see, Mac sales have been really important to Apple during the pandemic. Uh, they've been up over 28% this year, so I could really see this. And as you can see, this is the event. The date and the time is on the 10th of November, so about 8 days from now. So if you guys want to attend, just go ahead and go to the Apple site. I'll actually leave a link below so you guys can access it. So yeah, so I'll leave a link below for you guys if anyone wants to attend and add to their calendar. So yeah, so I found this pretty interesting. This is pretty much breaking news that Apple decides to have an event right after the election next week. So let's actually check out the stock, see how Apple is doing. Currently, it is still down, which I'm surprised because usually when something like this happens, I remember last time when Apple had a major announcement, the stock kind of shot up a little bit. So let's see. I do think we're gonna have a little bit more buying of Apple this week, which may bring up the tech sector. So there's been a lot of back and forth as far as people not recommending to buy tech. I know there was a story about Morgan Stanley. Someone from their advisors just said that tech is underrated. They're looking more so in financials, healthcare, materials, and industrial. So very interesting that a lot of people, a lot of investors are kind of staying away from tech right now. Um, and actually, I do agree with the financials. Let's actually check out a a trade that I'm currently in. So this is a ETF for the financial sector. I actually have some put credit spreads, as you guys can see over here. I'm up 40% on them. So I believe this morning I placed an order to close it. So yeah, so to close it to sell it for 0.05. I'll be happy with a 50 to 60% right before the election. Like I said, I don't really want to own anything unless it's just stocks I'm down on, like T-Triple-Q, as you guys know. So yeah, so I do agree with financials being very strong these days. I think it's going to continue to be strong, but as far as going back to Apple, so definitely some exciting news regarding Apple. There's some talks that we could see a new revamped version of the 12-inch MacBook. Others are saying that it could be a 13-inch MacBook Pro or even a new 24-inch Mac. You know, and also there's possibility of the of the event. Including the Apple AirPod Studio. Here's what I'm talking about right here. So maybe we'll see some different products from Apple. Like I said, every time they have an event, they're kind of spot on as far as products and innovation and whatnot. So really looking forward to it. Let's look at the stock again. It's still down. Like I said, I do think people may buy it after the election. So let me know what you guys think about the event. Let me know your predictions on the stock, how you think it's going to react next week. And also, be sure to check out the event. I'll leave the link below. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. Please go ahead and like the video and please subscribe. Other than that, thanks for watching.